Welcome to Mercedes-Benz of Seattle. With over 500 vehicles to choose from, we offer a diverse selection that includes new and pre-owned passenger cars, AMG models, off-brand vehicles, and commercial vans for both business and leisure. Relax in our comfortable customer lounge, where you can enjoy complimentary snacks, drinks, and Wi-Fi. As advocates for animal welfare, we're proud to be a pet-friendly and always welcome leashed pets. You can find us at 2025 Southwest Airport Way, just minutes from the airport and both stadiums. We service both passenger vehicles and Mercedes-Benz vans, providing express services like oil changes, multi-point inspections, tire rotations, and more. We guarantee loaner vehicles, passenger and commercial with your service appointment, and offer shuttle services if needed. Shop with confidence thanks to our Swickard price promise on all new vehicles and our service match guarantee, ensuring you get the best deal possible. Experience the difference, experience something new at Mercedes-Benz of Seattle.